Hi guys, my name is G and welcome to BooredFemme. Today is an extremely exciting day because I am unboxing the Galaxy Z Flip 3. I am so excited to see what's inside this box. Okay, so box. I got the white version. It's so pretty. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Let's see what's inside the box first. This little thing for your SIM card. I forget what these are called, but you know what I mean. The pin. Is it called a pin? I don't know. You know what it is. SIM card that Samsung was kind to send. And that's it. That's all you get. The days are gone when you got stuff in the box. Those days, forget about them. Okay, let's see what this does. Ooh, how do I, oh, is it this way? Oh, it goes this way, okay. Ooh. This is so cute. It flips. This is like, weight-wise, it feels good. It doesn't feel too heavy. It doesn't feel too light where it kind of feels like sturdy. It has a good grip to it. I got it in white, but as I said, you can get it in a bunch of different colors. You can get it in black, you can get it in lavender. I think there's an exclusive pink color on the Samsung website, so definitely check that out. And let's turn this on. The first thing I want to talk about is the camera. I am very excited about being able to use the back display as a viewer for my pictures. And I will definitely be making a separate video on the camera. However, I just kind of want to test it. And right at the top right-hand corner, you're able to put your screen preview on, which, oh, love it. Okay, so let me set this phone down. I am able to preview my image while I place the phone in a different place. And to me, this is amazing because what that means is that if you're shooting content by yourself, like I do most of the time, you do not have to hold your phone to take your picture. And you can step away from your phone. So like if you're in a park, place it on the park bench, take your picture. You could preview it to see if it's going to be a good shot instead of guessing if it's going to be a good shot. So to me, this is a selling feature. Let's talk about some very notable differences between the Z3 and the original version. First, you can see the camera placement is completely different. The cameras are larger. Your display is a lot larger. Before on the Flip, you kind of just had this small, really tiny display. It only gave you the time. You saw your battery. You couldn't really read notifications. I mean, there's not much space for you to do so. While on the new version, you can really read your messages. The clock is a lot bigger. You can still see your battery, the date. You can actually customize your display. So if you want to swipe and read some of your text messages, you can. If you want to X off notifications, you can, which is pretty awesome. I love the updated display. You can also see some other differences on the general weight of it. The original is slightly heavier, while the 3 feels a little bit lighter. Let's see, the edges are about the same. They're rounded edges. But the best part is look at the fingerprints on the old version. You can steal my identity with all the fingerprints in the back. That doesn't work for me. while the new version is, you cannot see the fingerprints as much. You can kind of, sort of, if you tilt it to the side, but not really. And yeah, updated version, much better. Priced at $9.99, I cannot wait to dive a little deeper into the specs of this phone. I have pointed some of them out on the screen, so take a look at those. My next video is going to be focused on the camera, and I cannot wait to test it out, give you guys my thoughts. Is it perfect for content creation? We're going to dive a lot deeper into that on my next video, so make sure to follow, subscribe, leave a comment, follow me on social media, BooredFemme. I cannot wait to tell you guys about the camera on this cute little guy. See you guys on the next one.